First of all, we will read this question, then we discuss. Use set notation to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram. Okay, shaded region in the Venn diagram, describe notation. Okay, so can you imagine if we shade this part also? So what is the notation? I think it's a union. Like we say we write P union Q. Okay. So if we remove this, if we want to remove like this, it is removed. So what it should? Its complement. Then we can remove this. What do you think? Okay. And other option is maybe if we shade only this part, right, how we will write this? Like P intersection Q, right? If we say, if we want to remove this part, so what we should do? We can complement of this, maybe this. Okay, it's up to us. Okay, if I say P complement intersection Q, then we will remove this and the only shaded area, right? So if I say Q is also complement, then we will remove this. So there are two options here. So what is the correct answer? What do you think? Is the first one or second one? Both answers are correct. Okay, I would write P union Q is easy answer to collect, and this is maybe little trouble. So this is the required answer. So now we solve the next part, B. Okay, so this is the universal set, okay, written in the mathematical language. Okay, so this is the English language. Okay, x such that is a factor of 12. So what should we write? Factors. 1 is the factor, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 is also the factor. Okay, so multiple of 2. Okay, we can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, so the next C is square number. So square number in this universal set is 4 and 9. Okay, okay, so now we should put these numbers in Venn diagram. So what to do? Okay, so can we say this part is this part is A and B common, this part is A, B and C, this part is A and C, and this part is B and C. Okay, what should we do now? First of all, we should write the whole common number, yeah, of all three subsets. Subset mean this is the universal set in the whole box, and A, B and C are in the box. That's why A, B and C are the subset of universal set. Okay, so we should write first of all 4, 4 and 4. We should write this number here. Okay, and now we should write A and B common number. Common numbers are of A and B are 2 and 12. So 2 and 12. Okay, so the common part of B and C is B and C 4 are already written because this part is B and C. Okay, and also in A this part is only, and the whole part is B and C also. B and C is common, B and C is common, nothing, no one else. Okay, so this is empty. Now A and C common is A and C common is we should write 1 is also 1 is also a square number, right? Sorry for I'm writing late. So 1 and C 1. Okay, now other remaining numbers of A, B and C we will write in the circles. Okay, so we have write in A 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 12. 1, 2, 4 and 12, and other numbers remaining are is 6 also. Okay, 6 also. Other remaining numbers are only 3. So if we will complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, now B. B 2. Okay, 4, 6, 12. 2, 4, 6, 12. Other remainings are 8 and 10. And C is 9. 149. This is the C. Okay, now Other remaining which is not used from the universal set are 5, 7 and 11. Okay, so 5, 7 and 11, right? So we have complete this, and 2 numbers in your count. Now say other one. Find numbers of A intersection B. Okay, intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B. 2, 12 and 6. This 4 also. 2, 12, 6 and 4 also. There are, because this circle, write this circle. So this is 2, 4, 6 and 12. There are 4 numbers. Okay, so this one is, first of all we will solve the bracket B union C, B union C, B union C. This is whole part. So B union C, their complement means we will remove all these numbers, right? And now left number is, so what left number is number of A intersection B, this one. So we remove this all, and here was 5, 7 and 11. Okay, and an intersection of this part is complement means removed, empty from the Venn diagram. Okay, I am removing all this. So intersection between this A and other part is only 1. Yeah. Okay, the answer is 1. However, so how many other numbers? 1. So we change the diagram. So according to the statement, B union C is not included and only A is the, how many numbers? So guys, this one is B union C complement. We will shade this region and then we will answer. Okay, number, how many numbers include in this statement? For this, because we will complement, we will remove this all. These numbers are not included. The only number is 1 in this statement. The number is only 1 is the answer. But the confusing point is A intersection B. We should, I would suppose, I would think this is the answer. Maybe 3 is the common number between them. No, this is the, according to this statement, how many numbers is only 3 is remaining. That's why the answer is 1. Okay, the last question is, one subset in the Venn diagram in part B 1 has no elements. Use set notation to describe this subset. He says one subset. Which subset? A, B or C? Which subset? I don't know which subset, and you also don't know which subset. It has no element. For example, we will write like this, okay? For example, he want to ask this notation. So one subset has no element. For example, maybe A has no, A, B and C all are the subsets. A has maybe A subset has no element, maybe B subset has no element, maybe C has no element. But when we will write this statement in set notation, for example, A has no element means should complement. We will put complement, right? If we will put complement, then how to write this statement? For example, if what is the statement? Part has no element, okay? If one has no element, then we will write A complement intersection B intersection C. So the statement will like this. Yes, if we write this without complement, A intersection B intersection C, okay? So the only part is this. If we remove this, okay, then what? But he says 1 has no element. So B also has this 4, C also has this 4, A also has this 4. So he says set notation in which one subset has no element. So if we say write, for example, I write A complement, then if we recall our knowledge, so this is not include this, only this include only this part, okay? So this is the required answer we will put here. A complement intersection B intersection C. Why we put the intersection? Because he says one subset in the Venn diagram in part has no element. If he has the element, then it should be union. But if we use union, its statement totally different in the Venn diagram. So that's why what is the clue? 1 has no element. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share this video.